This Marx-Bensdorf Realtors property video is presented by David Tester. This classic brick bungalow in the historic Buntyn neighborhood is prepped and ready for you. Large front porch and porte cochere set the stage for what's inside. The immense living room spans the front of the home and a large dining room is next in line. Originally likely the butler's pantry, is a room perfect for a home office or casual dining. An amply sized kitchen, complete with stove and refrigerator, plus a roll-around dishwasher. The rear entry/mud room with laundry is amply sized too. And the washer and dryer convey with the property. 3 bedrooms and 2 baths complete the array of rooms. And you can view the floor plan in the slideshow. The deep rear yard can become your private oasis. Seller updates include new roof in 2017, new HVAC in 2018, and new hot water tank in 2023. The seller has loved living here for a decade, but the time has come for him to move on. For more